This is Groovy Space, and today we have an abandoned unit here in Thomastown, Victoria 3074. This is on the first floor. The cargo lift is here. You park, once you go down, you park your car just there, and the storage unit is just here in Thomastown, Victoria 3074. So the unit is just down this corridor on the right side. There's two doors to this unit. The size of this unit, the width is about 4.2 meter wide, just 2 meter deep, and the height of this unit, 4.5 meter wide, 2.2 meter deep, and 2.8 meter high. You can see there's two doors to this unit. Follow me, I'm going to show you some of the goods. We start from outside. So, this is a luggage. Cutlery here. Small knickknacks. Another bag with shoes. I think these are the legs for the bed. Small bookcase. This is a coffee machine. We got outdoor table. The chairs are inside there. We got pictures, cutlery, kitchen stuff inside here. I'm going to show you some of the goods inside the unit. My lights are not very good, so I hope you can see something. We got two chests. It's getting dark already. We got a Hisense TV here. "55" not tested. I think the remote control is here. So got a cushion there. Looks like it's a Balinese decor. We got a Hoover top loader washing machine, 7.5 kilo. Nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee on any of the goods here. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, the manager will refund you back the $250 cash deposit. There's a bed here. It looks like it's a king size. I just can't be sure. And the outdoor chairs are here. Sorry, the lights are... My torch is just getting weak. More furniture. Looks like it's a study. This red color is a study desk. This is a stool. More furniture. Bedside tables. Once again, sorry for the poor lighting. It's getting dark here, and as well as this heavy rain. Have a look at the photos, which I've taken quite a fair bit. It's a wine rack. It's a small one. We got glass here. It's part of the bed frame. Once again, this is in Thomastown, Victoria 3074. It's indoor on the first floor. Down this corridor on the left is the cargo lift. Thank you for watching.